Hello everyone, welcome to my second video for the DIY patent. So in this video, we'll be covering what type of patent should I file. So one thing you need to understand is USPTO has three types of patents that you can possibly file. Three of them being a utility patent, a design patent, and a plant patent. So you want to choose which patent suits your invention the best, and let me quickly elaborate on each one of these three patents. To start off, you have a utility patent. A utility patent is basically anything that helps solve a need or an issue. For example, it could be tools, appliances, a car, furniture, equipment, small things like a pen or pencil, those kind of things. So for example, if you were to make a flying car or a space jet or an AI robot, those would all fall under the category of a utility patent. So if you, for example, a quick example is if you look at Apple phones, the edge is curved, that's probably a design patent. Okay, for the second one, a design patent. Basically, this is anything that adds style to something. For example, a new stylish handrest, or an office chair, or a new door handle, those kind of things. So this is where the biggest issue kind of comes up when you're trying to pick which patent you're doing, and it would be between is it a design patent or is it a utility patent? So basically, a quick, easy way to find out which one it is you're doing is pretend you take away your functionality from your patent. Would it become useless, or would it still have a purpose? If the answer is it loses functionality, then that's most likely a utility patent. If it doesn't lose functionality, then it's probably just a stylish patent. And the final patent type is a plant patent. So it's pretty straightforward. If you invent a new species of fruit or vegetable, those are basically organisms in general. Those are plant patents. So for example, a new type of GMO, or if you're crossbreeding two different types of plants, that would be a plant patent. So at the end of this video, if you already have an idea, I want you guys to go ahead and try to figure out which patent type is the patent you're making. And if you don't have an idea yet, well, just keep in mind that just come back to this video later to decide which patent type your patent idea is.